Hi everyone, welcome to our channel The Info. I hope you will be fine this time. Talk about the Stranger Things. Tales from 85 ending explained. Are 11 Nikki and gang able to defeat Quinn? Find out. Here's what happened in the latest animated spin-off, the Stranger Things series, written by Ayushi Karwal, journalist, published on 24 April 2026. As the world reeled from the aftermath of the end of the original Stranger Things series last year, the Duffer Brothers came back into the world with an animated storyline, but it has a twist this time around. 11 Mike Wheeler, Will Byers, Dustin Henderson, Lucas Sinclair, and Max Mayfield are back together in an animated series running over the happenings of 1985 when the friendly bunch discovers some treats to humanity and goes underground to save themselves. Stranger Things Tales from 85 takes place. Upside Down has been riddled with a new emergence, a plant-like creature that threatens their peaceful existence. The Stranger Things Tales from 85 ending. Even as a group of friends and their new mate Nikki discover the spores and take down as many threats as possible, new ones keep surfacing, worried as to where the source of their Orion lies. They discover that the viral plants are emerging from upside down and ramming the gate open with each growth. They must stop the monster from opening the gate fully to save the real world from the possibilities that lie underneath. Hawkins' food mart cleric Daniel Fisher is revealed to have been carrying out experiments that caused the creation of Queen, a scary green appearance, what he believed to be harmless attempts, created a network of monster thief friends work together with their monster-killing weapons and get rid of the creature by trapping it in the door between the alternate dimension and the real world. A Demogorgon Mark's flower is showcased at the end, teasing the begging of what could become the central plot of the stories to come. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.